So now we've flattened the back. I'm just going to do the bevel. I'm just going to show you the this diamond plate because it's very efficient. It doesn't require flattening, and it won't leave the big scratches that the coarser diamonds will. So again, just want to wet it down. And so if this was a ceramic stone, I would be just going to put this under it to stop it moving. I would be again taking the stone into sections and just doing small sections of the bevel. So you can see that it's just wearing that small amount there. You can see that this has been again sharpened on a leather wheel, and it's rolled up the edges on either side. So you can see straight away that we're taking the middle out, and it's taken quite a bit off just on those a few passes. So 5 or 6 times, and then re-reference. And this is a very big bevel, so it's easy to reference the bevel, but even on the smaller chisels, you can really easily do it. Keep the bevel nice and flat without using a jig by just a few passes, and then re-referencing that bevel on the flat. And you can really see quickly how much material this stone's taking off. So this is a 600 grit. So you could use the whole stone, but your arms are moving quite a fair way, and this is where you're less likely to keep that bevel really nice and flat on the stone, and you've got then a chance of actually rocking it. So it's the same with a plain blade. 45 degrees across the stone. A few strokes and then re-reference. You can see this bevel's a lot flatter than the chisel was. Really getting through it. Again, this was rolled up on either edge. We've got pretty much all the middle now. So another thing you've got to remember is that this is all soft steel up here now, so it's going to feel a little bit different to doing the flattening the back, where this is all the hard carbon, high carbon steel, and here you've just got the soft iron and a small edge of the hard steel. So the longer you spend on the lower diamonds and the flatter you get it, the less time you're going to need to spend on the water stones and working your way up. So that's why a think it's really important to have a good quality diamond stone, or a really good quality coarse stone to do that job. Nicely out of whack, this one. To the 300. Not far off, but just those two very obvious corners there. Okay, so now we've got the bevel flat, and we use a 600 grit diamond stone for that. You can see the nice burr coming off on the edge there. So now it's just going to be really nice transition from the 600 to the 1000. .45 degrees across the stone, reference your bevel. You see that's come up straight away. You can see the hard steel wrapping up the sides and the soft iron in the middle. Because we spent so long flattening it on the diamond stone, this process is really quick. The 1000 leaves a perfect matte finish. Okay, now we'll jump straight to the 3000. Make sure your chisel's nice and clean. See it again, almost a mirror finish. Just making that hard steel and the soft iron stand out even more. And now we'll just jump up to the 6000. Just in a really short time, really nice finish. We can go quite a bit more if you wanted to really bring this soft iron up, because this soft iron's got really beautiful swirls from the impurities in the old wrought iron, the old anchor chain. So now we just want to get rid of the burr. So there's a decent burr on the other side. And we should be able to see it come off on this stone. If I clean this a bit. Just give it another quick.